welcome Ceci to the YouTube channel. So today you can either choose white paper and black paper on top of it, or you can choose black paper and white paper on top of it, because we're going to make contrast. You can do vertical or you can do horizontal for your paper too. So since it's easier for you to see this, I'm choosing white paper with black paper. Alright, so choose which ones you want to work with. And I started working with the white paper and the black. These are two geometric shapes, and I'm focusing on balance. So this is symmetrical and the other one is asymmetrical. And now I'm ready to glue it down. I'm trying to find a visual balance. So you can choose it this way or the other way. So I'm going to glue down the large shapes first, nice and careful. And then I'm going to start focusing on what kind of shapes I want to use. So these are geometric. I have a square and a rectangle. You can use a triangle or a circle. Now I'm cutting out organic shapes. So you need to hold the paper down with one hand and allow your scissors to keep turning. And so you're rotating the paper too with your hand to allow it to turn kind of in a wavy line like that. So the top is called positive. It's a thick shape that is taking up space. And the other one on the bottom is called negative, which is basically a background type shape. So we have the positive on the top and the negative shape on the bottom. But we're just going to keep going and adding more shapes. And what I recommend you do is you turn your paper as you go. That really helps you see it in a different way and gives you some more ideas too. So I'm going to start to cut some smaller pieces of paper just to have different shapes to work with instead of the large shapes, because I kind of covered most of the white. So I'm going to continue working with the organic shapes, which come from nature, and they're soft, and I have to just keep turning my lines. I'm going to glue it down. Since it's smaller, it's a little bit more tricky to glue, but it works. I'm going to put a geometric shape there. And now I'm going to put some white paper down. So I thought that would be nice to look as a look for layering. So here's some organic shapes that I'm cutting out, and I'm going to glue it down on top of a geometric shape. So this time I'm going to cut out the negative shape of that, and I'm going to place it on my black paper. So you're just layering it using organic if you want to, and geometric shapes, and keep turning it and rotating as you go. So if you notice, I'm making smaller and smaller pieces, and now I'm layering it, I'm turning it, and yeah, just make your own decisions and it will look really super duper cool as you figure out what would look nice with your artwork. So yeah, I'm getting even more teeny weeny. I think the background behind my organic shape on the top left needs some just something to break up the space. So I chose some lines almost. Doesn't it look like kind of like a line? They're very small rectangles. And I thought, well, what else could I do? I'll do the same thing, but I cut it in a different way. Did you see what I did? I frayed it and then cut it. That I think was a little bit easier to cut. So keep turning it, rotating it, however you want to say, and then add some more shapes to it. So this is a geometric and organic contrast. The black and the white give it contrast, collage. And I also am thinking about symmetry. It could be either asymmetrical or symmetrical. What do you think I ended up using, symmetrical or asymmetrical? I kind of think I ended up doing symmetrical. So snap that glue stick on, and please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care.